Hello friends, my name is Madhav and welcome to my YouTube channel Wearable Help. In this video, we will learn how to use Strava on your Amazfit GTR 3, GTR 3 Pro and GTS 3 smartwatches. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Strava is a common fitness app for many smartwatches. Most of the smartwatches in the world use this app for users' health. In the market, Apple Watch, Galaxy Watch, Garmin Watch, Fossil Watch and Fitbit Watch all have Strava function in the App Store. Apple Watch was the first to get this function, but later Samsung, Android and Garmin joined the force. Strava is one of the most advanced workout apps and it provides lots of resources to use. You can synchronize all your fitness data to Strava that your smartwatch has collected while the workout session. Amazfit GTR 3, GTR 3 Pro and Amazfit GTS 3 also support the Strava app and its features. Unfortunately, most of the Amazfit watches don't have a dedicated app store to download new apps except Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. It is the reason you will not see a particular Strava app for the watches. Instead, you will only get support from the company and that is enough for you. By connecting Strava with Amazfit GTR 3, GTS 3 and GTR 3 Pro, you can take full advantage of it. It will store all your data, motivate you in your workout, rewards you and also give you history in a day, week or month. Today we will look at how to connect Strava on your Amazfit GTR 3, Amazfit GTR 3 Pro and Amazfit GTS 3. To connect Strava with your smartwatch, follow these simple steps. First, open the JEP app. The JEP app or formerly the Amazfit app is the first step in the guide. Download the JEP app on your Android or Apple smartphone. Note that Huawei has changed the Amazfit app name to the JEP app, so search with the new name. Second, pair your watch and tap on profile. After installing the new app, pair your Amazfit GTR 3, GTS 3 or GTR 3 Pro with the smartphone. Once you complete pairing, tap on the profile option, which is one of the first screen inside the app. Third, open Add Account. The profile has full page of options. Here you can go to your smartwatch setting and also see other records. This page also includes connecting friends option and setting option for the app. Though it has many options, you have to open Add Account option in the list. 4. Choose Strava. Inside Add Account option, there are many tools to connect with your watch. It has Alexa, Google Fit, WeChat, Relive, Strava and other tools. Now click on Strava. 5th, authorize the tool. In the next step, it will tell you to authorize or connect your account with Strava. Click on the Unbound option to give your information. 6. Sign up or sign in to your Strava account. In a necessary step to get access to the app, if you have previously created a Strava account, then fill it here. If you don't have an account, then create a new account with Facebook, Google, Apple or your email ID. After creating a new account, give your email and password and tap on the login button. 7. Click on Authorize button. After entering your details, in the next step, you have to authorize the app. Check the boxes and terms and conditions if you want and then click on Authorize button. Strava has connected to your smartwatch. That's it. After finishing all the steps, you can see Strava has finally connected to your Amazfit GTR 3, GTR 3 Pro and Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatches. Now you can successfully synchronize all your data with Strava and get guidance on your health. In the same way, you can also unpair the Strava app with other health apps. In the options, you can also see Google Fit and Relive options for health purposes. Though it has Google Fit, Strava is one of the best fitness apps out there. Thanks for watching it friends. If you like this video, then please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.